Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Victor Hackman of Multi-Skilled Electrician, and on Facebook you can find us on this page, Vicaret Electricals. We are also on Google Business or Google Maps, so you can find us there. And our locations in Cape Coast, we have locations in Cape Coast and Accra. So in Accra, you can find us at house number 25, First Plateau Loop, Ajokano, Accra. And in Cape Coast, you can find us at house number PV7, Pedu Village, near Cape Coast Teaching Hospital. Okay, so today I'm going to run you through some few things. I'm going to show you that in Ghana we can have both 220 socket outlets and 110 socket outlets. So here we've run our cable. This the 110 volts, and there's the 220 volt. There's the Ghana electrical system, and there's the US or Canada and or in general North America electrical system. So we have it there. We are fixing some few additional points for TV outlets. We've carefully run our pipes, PVC pipes on the floor. There's the TV kosher cable here. And so we have our 110 volts US North America system here. We have 220 volt Ghana system here. We have our TV outlet here. And so this is where the consumer unit or fuse box, or some people call it electrical panel, this is where we're going to position it. So here we will have the 220 volt consumer unit and the 110 volt consumer unit. So on this, on the cables, you can see that this bedroom number 2, 110 volts, and this is the bedroom number 2, 220 volts. So we have carefully or nicely indicated them or inscripted them or identified them so that they will not mix up. This is the consumer unit. Okay, so this is your community electrician, Victor Hackman, or on YouTube, Multi-Skilled Electrician, and on Facebook, you can find us on Vicaret Electricals. Stay tuned, and we'll come your way again. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.